Welcome to AutoWorld of Conway, where today we'll be previewing this beautiful 1965 Volkswagen Bus. This one has just recently undergone a mechanical and cosmetic restoration, and you'll see that they did quite a fine job. So we're going to take a couple minutes here today to preview this lovely lady, so that way you can see exactly what she has to offer, and I think you'll find that she is quite impressive. Very attractive color combination of wheat over light blue, baby blue. So this is absolutely iconic for the 60s, 70s, and even recently. What a dream. So you can see that most everything on this has been touched or replaced or repainted. A little bit of trouble with my camera here. That's okay. You can see my shadow. I apologize. So here we are. And you can see just how nice the paint and body are. They are not perfect, but you can tell it is fresh and very nice. Something that I wouldn't be afraid to park in my garage. Shows 6,900 miles, and that is on this refresh. All the gauges function: turn signals, lights, fuel gauge. See down here, cigarette lighter. The 4-speed manual transmission on the floor, which is standard for these. Chrome reverse wheels, new tires. So one of my favorite features these Safari windows here. These pop out, go in and out. It's about 35 degrees this morning, so I think for the test drive we'll go ahead and close those. This drip rail, absolutely perfectly clean. One of the most common areas of rust on these, and difficult to show in pictures, so the nice thing about this video is we can do that. The rear window, it also pops out, just as the fronts. Beautiful wood veneer on the roof. Now the third seat was removed. You can source those, about $900. A lot of people, just as this prior owner opted, they removed that for excess storage. So these here, there are 2 of them. These are scoops that, if you chose, they affix here to the side. Okay. Try that again. The power plant under here. So this is a 1600cc dual port motor, and as you can tell, it's absolutely fresh. To the EGR valve there. battery. There is a little spot on the body right here. It looks like the battery slid. And hit the body. So here we are. So let's do this. Inside here. One of the greatest things, I've been in and out of this bus multiple times in the last few days. And what we're going to do, if I can gather myself here, is how easily she starts. That way every time. Does it get any better than that? I don't think so. Let's do this. We'll take a minute, we'll pause, as I'll need a passenger to video as we drive. We'll shut the Safari windows and go for a ride. First thing we're going to do, we're going to close these Safari windows. Again, it's 35 degrees here this morning. Just that simple. Guess I was a little aggressive with that handle. How about that? Emergency brake. First gear is right there. Gosh, this brings back memories of my youth. So we're here at the main dealership for 18 years I've been here now. One of my favorite things is driving and enjoying these classic cars, making these videos for our customers. So let's run her through the gears. Difference it makes for stopping. 2005 Volkswagen Bus. Here at AutoWorld of Conway, where we always have good cars for good people.